Hi everyone, welcome to Crystal Flare. I'm Emily and today we're crafting something magical, relaxing and absolutely beautiful together. If you enjoy creative projects like this, be sure to like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts and subscribe to the channel for more DIY sparkle. Let's take a quick look at the materials you'll need. You can pause the video here to check them closely. And if you'd rather not hunt for each item, I've put together a complete DIY kit that includes everything you see here. Check the link in description to grab yours. Now let's begin. To start creating the amethyst moon, cut about 50 centimeters of 0.4 millimeters copper wire. This will be your main base to shape the sparkling moon centerpiece. Secure one end by wrapping it around the golden crescent moon frame twice, leaving about 2 centimeters free at the end. Use a pair of pliers to gently tighten and secure it if needed. Start threading amethyst chip beads onto the wire, one at a time. After adding each chip, wrap the wire twice around the frame to hold it in place. This double wrapping technique helps lock the stones securely and gives a clean, consistent look. Keep threading and wrapping, gently adjusting the placement as you go, until the crescent is covered and looks full, rich, and balanced. Tip: try to space the amethyst chips as evenly as possible. If you notice a gap or a smaller chip, feel free to double up with 2 tiny ones. This helps maintain an even density throughout. You're doing great. Keep going. Take your time. It's okay to pause and reposition any uneven spots. Once you're happy with the layout, wrap the last few centimeters of wire around the frame a few extra times to secure the end. Then, carefully trim off any excess wire and tuck the sharp ends inside the frame with pliers to keep it neat and safe to handle. Next, let's move on to the center hanging chain. Cut a short chain measuring about 8 centimeters and attach a large teardrop crystal prism to one end using a jump ring. This beautiful prism will catch the sunlight and create soft rainbow sparkles. Then cut a longer 16 cm 6.3 inch chain and attach both ends of this chain to the top left and right corners of the amethyst moon. These chains will suspend the moon from the center of the pyramid. Connect the ends of both chains to a large jump ring and carefully hang this jump ring from the very top center point of the pyramid frame. Once secured, the moon and prism should hang gracefully and remain balanced within the center space. Helpful hint: before connecting, gently straighten each chain to prevent tangling. You can also apply a tiny dab of clear nail polish to the jump rings to make sure they stay closed tightly. Nice job, it's really coming together. Now let's wrap the raw amethyst crystal. Cut about 20 to 25 centimeters, 8 to 10 inches, of copper wire and place the stone in the center. Twist the wire ends together underneath the stone to hold it snugly in place. Then begin wrapping the wire upward around the stone, forming simple geometric patterns such as triangles or loops. These shapes add a touch of detail and stability. Try to keep the wraps even and proportional. At the top, leave about 4 centimeters. 1.5 inches of wire to make a hanging loop. Bend this section into a small loop and wrap the remaining wire tightly around the base to secure it. This creates a neat finish and strong hold. Attach a small gold moon charm and the wrapped raw amethyst together using a jump ring. Then use another jump ring to connect this pair to the top center of the pyramid frame near the same point as the hanging chain. Pro tip: keep your wire snug but not too tight. You want the crystal to be secure but not stressed. Using consistent patterns in your wrapping helps make the piece look polished and intentional. You're doing amazing. The hard part is almost done. Now we'll prepare the accent chains. Cut 4 pieces of chain, 3 at 4 centimeters each and 1 slightly longer at 6 centimeters. These will hang from the lower corners of the pyramid and add movement and shimmer. Use small jump rings to decorate each chain with 4 to 5 B-coated crystal beads. You can follow a pattern or mix it up for a playful look. Creative tip: try placing 2 smaller beads next to 1 larger bead to form a little twinkle cluster. This gives the piece texture and catches light from more angles. Super sparkly. Finally, attach each beaded chain to the 4 corners of the pyramid frame using jump rings. Make sure each one hangs freely and evenly. Give the whole piece a gentle shake to test balance and adjust if necessary. The moon and crystal prism should remain centered and untangled. Bonus tip: hang your finished Suncatcher near a window that gets soft, indirect light. This helps protect the crystals while still letting them shine. Dust it occasionally with a soft, dry cloth to keep the sparkle alive. And there you have it, your one-of-a-kind handmade pyramid crystal Suncatcher. Amazing work. Isn't it gorgeous? You can hang it in your window, above a reading nook, or gift it to someone who could use a little extra light and love in their space. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video, share it with your crafty friends, and leave a comment to let me know how your piece turned out. Subscribe to Crystal Flair for more calming and sparkly creations. Thanks for crafting with me today, and as always, keep shining.